In your health news on this Friday, patients around the country have put off doctor's appointments and routine cancer screenings during the pandemic. Now, experts are sounding the alarm that getting checked can be life-saving. Doctors say routine cancer screenings have since picked back up a little, but still haven't reached pre-pandemic levels. A new survey from the Prevent Cancer Foundation shows 90% of women are visiting friends and going out to eat during the pandemic, but only 48% are visiting their doctor's office.
We know that there are many patients out there right now with undiagnosed breast cancers, cervical cancers, and also colon, prostate, lung, other types of cancers.
I came through it, but in the course of it, I found out that thousands of women have undetected breast cancer right now, and 1 in 3 Americans are not moving forward with just routine exams and physicals during the pandemic.
During the first months of the pandemic, hospitals in the U.S. reported a decline in patients being treated for heart attack and stroke. Doctors say that was due in part to the increased strain on health systems and patients' fear of getting COVID. A study conducted earlier this year shows there may be a way to reduce the number of COVID infections on board commercial airplanes to virtually zero. The study, led by the Mayo Clinic, the Georgia Department of Public Health, and Delta Airlines, showed that one chain reaction test performed within 72 hours of flying decreased the rate of infected travelers on board to nearly 0.05%. Of the nearly 10,000 people who tested negative, 4 tested positive at the airport through rapid antigen tests. The Smithsonian National Zoo announced today several of their great cats have presumptive positive COVID-19 tests. The zoo says 6 African lions and 3 tigers tested positive for the virus last weekend. Zookeepers noticed the animals had decreased appetites, coughing and sneezing, and were lethargic, which led to the original testing. Conclusive tests are now being done, and final results are expected in the next few days. We have a warning to tell you about involving Chevy Bolts. What you need to know is coming up next.